Dentures and private health insurance. Hi, my name is Mark Banks. And did you know, because a lot of people don't, that dentures is actually counted on your private health insurance. So depending on the cover, of course, if you get a denture, well, that's a necessary item. Now we have codes, just like the doctors, we can claim back on high caps. So you come in, you get your denture, you swipe your card and you get that gap payment, you get a rebate. And how cool is that? Now, Medicare, unfortunately in Australia, does not cover dentures in this year of 2020. And I guess it's related to budget and government, government budget and things like that. But if you have private health insurance on the other hand, and you've got dental cover, well, every single time you get a denture, a reline, a tooth addition, a repair, these things are all considered necessary and you will always get a rebate back. Now, depending on which company you're with, depending on how much extras or what you've used in dental, of course, you may get 20%, 30%, 40%. In some cases, I've seen up to 50% rebate back. So let's say you're to get a denture worth $2,000. Best case scenario, you may get $1,000 back. Worst case, you may get $400 to $600 back. But it's better than nothing, I think, isn't it? Now, if you have, on the other hand, natural teeth and they're causing a lot of pain, severe pain, they're infected, the Medicare or the government system in Australia in this moment of 2020 actually can help you get the removal of these teeth. I think the process is you have to go to the hospital or a GP centre and find out which avenue suits you. You may go on the waiting list and then eventually your turn will get called and you can get those teeth removed under a government subsidy. Now, I'm not sure if it's means tested, and of course policies and guidelines are changing on this all the time, so I can't promise you anything on that side, but definitely worth investigating is if budget is high on your agenda and you just simply cannot afford it, I think it's worth you finding out avenues, talking to friends, find a public dentist and see what options are available for you at that time. Now, don't forget, every time you see your prosthesis, swipe that Medibank, swipe that private health insurance card, because you're paying for that health insurance and why not get the rebate? Well, there's a bit of information on, are dentures covered under private health insurance? And yes, they are, and yes, I'm very glad they are, because these things help with our body, they help normality. Well, until next time, my name is Mark Banks and keep smiling.